Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Oneplus model and Oxygen OS version. This matters because menus differ. Once confirmed, backup voice notes to Google Drive or local storage so nothing is lost. Now open Settings and go directly to Sound and Vibration or Apps depending on your build. You are looking for the app that announces recordings. Do not skip checking app permissions, because the announcement often comes from an app allowed to speak notifications. You now locate the recorder, phone, or any third-party caller/recorder app causing the announcement. Once found, tap Notifications, then App Settings, and finally Advanced Options. On some builds, you'll see Announce or Speak notifications. Disable those toggles and also check accessibility for text-to-speech or notification read-aloud services. If the announcer is a system service, use Show System Apps to reveal it, then turn off its notification permission. You finish by rebooting the phone and recording a quick clip to confirm the announcement is gone. Testing immediately prevents surprises later. If you still hear announcements, return to the app and clear cache or clear data if necessary. That resets notification preferences. As a key troubleshooting tip, check accessibility right arrow text-to-speech and disable any third-party TTS engines or announcement services. They commonly override app settings. Make sure to restore backups only after you verify the voice is silenced.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.